just press W key on your keyboard and interconnect the things. If you have a question, don't forget to ask in the description section below. I will be very happy to answer all your preoccupation. So this ground will be found here instead and be connected at the reference of the voltages, and here you have W key. This one will be connected here, and this other one will be connected here. No, I don't know what is connected like that. Control Z. Let me send this diode down a little bit. Oof, why is not going on? Let me send this other one down a little bit so that I can press W key on the keyboard and interconnect like that. This other one here, a sharp, and this probe of the oscilloscope will be connected here, and that other one there. I have already finished with drawing. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. Just press play on the magnetoscope and launch the simulation. The simulation is on process. That is how you can get a full wave rectification. Just imagine that we don't have, maybe we just remove this capacitor and see what we will have. Launch the simulation. Okay, you have here a full wave rectification. The red is the output and the green is the input. We can change the size, the waveform property, and get something different. Now let us get back the capacitor, and instead of 22 microfarad, let's say we have 50 microfarad. Okay, and launch once more the rectification. That's how you can have. Let me change the trace property so that we have something very big to see. Okay, that is how we can get a full wave rectification with the load RC load, with the filtering. So if you want this undulation to be very straight, you need to add the capacitor, to put the capacitor very big. Let's say we have maybe 150. Let us launch the simulation and see what we can have. Then you will discover that that link will be very straight. That link will be very straight. Let us put maybe, I don't know, let us say let us say 250, and launch the simulation one more time. Then you discover that we will have the waveform will be very straight. Let me send it back to 22 because I'm going to save it like that, so that we will see the difference between the input and the output. That is how you can make a full wave rectification. If you have a question, don't forget to ask in the description section below. I will be very happy to answer you. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Switching guard for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.